Hi friends! We go on preparing for Christmas holidays, and today we are drawing this cute gingerbread man. Let's begin if you are ready. I will start with his head, and it's going to be just a big circle, and I will leave the gap on the bottom, like so. Next I will draw his arm holding a candy cane, and because of candy cane will overlap the hand, we are going to draw just a part of it first. Like this. And to draw a candy cane, we will extend this line with the curve on the upper part and with a straight line on the down. Now we got nice big curve here, and we will draw the same shape going nearby. From here we are going to close the shape with a straight line, and on the top with the curve. Now let's add one small curve on the side of a candy cane to finish his arm. Alright, now let's draw his right arm. I will give myself a small spot here just as a guideline, and I will draw one U shape just sideways. For the legs and the body, they will be approximately the same size as the head, so I can measure, and I will put two spots here where his legs will end. And having that, it will be easier for me to draw one big wide W shape connecting these two ends. Okay, it looks perfect. Now we can draw his cute happy face. Two ovals for his eyes, circles for the highlights, and I will fill the eyes in. And let's add two small ovals for his eyebrows. Now I will give him a wide happy smile. We have the main parts done. Now only some decorations left. Let's start with the bow. Just two connected triangles, two round buttons, and some icing. Three wavy lines on the head, two here, and same for the legs. Oh, I almost forgot the stripes on the candy cane, so I'm going to add them. Alright, we're done with our line work. Now we can get to the coloring, and after that to my favorite part, where we get creative with our drawing. I will fast forward the coloring process. You can pause the video whenever you need it. And here is our gingerbread man. I love this little happy guy, and you can use him as a base of your own artwork. As an example, you could give him some outfit, maybe elf costume, or make some funny situation where his candy cane broke and he is like, oops. These are just two samples, but of course there are tons of possibilities to make this drawing even more fun. Thank you for drawing with me today, and see you in my next videos. Bye!